Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
An aircraft carrier is a miniature military base on the seas. They are a means of projecting power. They can provide efficient air defense and offense capabilities for an entire battle group. Since the cost of owning and maintaining an aircraft carrier is huge, only a few countries have fielded aircraft carriers. At present, only the USA and France have fielded nuclear power aircraft carriers, and the rest have typical steam turbine carriers. Today in this video, we are going to show you the top 10 most expensive aircraft carriers currently in operation. All the costs listed are inflation adjusted. So let's begin. Number 10. PHM Atlântico, Brazil. Cost $1.2 billion. Formerly operated by United Kingdom under the name HMS Ocean, the PHM Atlântico is a helicopter carrier currently in service with the Brazilian Navy. Number 9. Cavour, Italy. Cost $1.6 billion. Cavour is an Italian aircraft carrier which entered service in 2009. The Cavour can carry up to 16 vertical landing and takeoff capable aircraft like F-35. Number 8. Wasp Class, USA. Unit cost $1.5 to $2 billion. The Wasp class is a class of landing helicopter dock amphibious assault ships operated by the United States Navy. Depending on the mission, the Wasp class can also carry vertical landing and takeoff capable aircraft like F-35. Currently, the US Navy has 8 Wasp class carriers in active service. Number 7. INS Vikramaditya, India. Cost $2.5 to $3 billion. INS Vikramaditya is a modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier and the flagship of the Indian Navy, which entered into service in 2013. INS Vikramaditya can carry up to 36 aircraft. Number 6. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia. Cost $3.5 to $4 billion. Introduced in the year 1991, Admiral Kuznetsov is the only aircraft carrier that Russia has at the moment. Admiral Kuznetsov can carry up to 40 aircraft. Number 5. Type 001A aircraft carrier, China. Unit cost $4.2 billion. The Type 001A is the first Chinese aircraft carrier to be built domestically. The Type 001A can carry up to 44 aircraft. Number 4. HMS Queen Elizabeth, United Kingdom. Unit cost $4.5 billion. HMS Queen Elizabeth is the lead ship of the Queen Elizabeth class of aircraft carriers, the largest warships ever built for the Royal Navy of the United Kingdom, and is capable of carrying up to 70 aircraft. Number 3. Charles de Gaulle, France. Cost $5 to $6 billion. Charles de Gaulle is the only nuclear-powered carrier completed outside of the United States Navy. As of 2019, Charles de Gaulle is also the only non-American carrier vessel that has a catapult launch system. The Charles de Gaulle can carry up to 40 aircraft. Number 2. Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, USA. Unit cost $9 billion. The Nimitz class is a nuclear-powered supercarrier in service with the United States Navy. The Nimitz class can carry up to 90 aircraft. Currently, the US Navy operates 10 Nimitz-class aircraft carriers. Number 1. Gerald R. Ford class aircraft carrier, USA. Unit cost $13 billion. Gerald R. Ford class is a nuclear-powered supercarrier and the latest aircraft carrier introduced in the US Navy. The Gerald R. Ford class can carry 75-plus aircraft. It is the only class of aircraft carriers that have electromagnetic aircraft launch system in the world. Thanks for watching.